Today's an incredible day at your zoo as we're going to unveil 5 incredible pieces of art celebrating women of color in our community who have been amazing leaders.
This project is called In Our Nature in partnership with Mural Routes and the city as part of Cultural Hotspot. And this project is meant to spotlight racialized women in Scarborough and Toronto that are doing community work at various capacities. So some of them are very well known and some of them are way more community and local based, but they're all taking care of their communities in various ways. And we wanted this installation project to really spotlight the work that they're doing and really spark a conversation around the kinds of work that goes unrecognized and is undervalued, but is often done by marginalized or underrepresented communities in various neighborhoods in the city.
This installation is at the front entrance of your zoo, and it's going to change over time. It's a testament to the work that goes on in our community, the incredible character of these women, and real champions for Scarborough.
So we chose the women based on who was doing relevant community work in areas of the arts and mentorship and just community social care. And we tried to make sure that we had people doing that work at various capacities. So some people were very public, like Farah Khan, who is a gender and equity justice worker, as well as people like Joy Henderson, who is a writer and very well known for her writing about the Indigenous identity and Afro-Indigenous identities and the treatment of Indigenous people in this country. And some people are actually very, very local, like Mangai and Lady, who are also featured, and they are doing community work at a completely different level that doesn't get the same public recognition, but they are still very much taking care of each other. So we were really intentional about having artists and activists and community workers, and some that are very well known and some who are lesser, but just valuing that work regardless of the capacity that they're doing that work under.
So we hope you'll come by the zoo, check out this incredible art, and see it for yourself.